Congratulations on receiving your Dragonfly, a powered loupe by Orascoptic. Your Dragonfly Loupe comes equipped with a screwdriver to make any future adjustments to your loupe, a 2-battery charger, a power supply for your 2-battery charger, 2 battery pods, 4 batteries if you purchase the Dragonfly Neo or Dragonfly RDH models, or 6 batteries if you purchase the Dragonfly Pro model. To begin using your Dragonfly Loupe, remove the plastic battery caps from 2 batteries and place them into the pods with the PCB board or green end up. Next, remove the blue protective caps off your Dragonfly temple tips. Screw 1 pod into each temple tip. To operate your headlight, press the button located on the front of the right temple arm. The Dragonfly Neo and Dragonfly RDH models come equipped with 1 light intensity setting. The Dragonfly Pro model comes equipped with 2 light settings. Press the button to toggle between the light settings. To turn off your headlight, press and hold the button. Remember, when you receive your custom Dragonfly Loupe, spend a few minutes adjusting the temple arms and the nose pad for optimal comfort and fit.